Creating a breast-firming lotion for mothers using natural ingredients is a thoughtful idea. Some effective natural ingredients you could consider include shea butter, coconut.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Moment to shine. In today's video, I'll show you how to create your very own avatar using your picture and CapCut, and then how to make it talk using Verbo. Step by step, let's dive right in.
Step 1. Generating your avatar using a CapCut. Open CapCut. Click on the expand icon. Click on text to image. Erase the unwanted information. Fill in the gap by describing the image you want to generate. After filling in, click on the photo icon. Click on the photo and add icon. Select human face and add. Click on generate. Pictures are done to be generated. Save the photos and download. Step 3. Making your photo talk using Verbo. Download and install Verbo from the App Store. Open Verbo and create a new project. Open Verbo and create a new project. Import the customized avatar image into Verbo. Your picture will look like this, and choose VoiceOver. Record your voice or type the text you want your avatar to say. Choose language. Click on the Generate Video. Video is generating. There you have it, folks. Our video is generated.
Now, let's delve into some targeted points to turbocharge your channel's growth and revenue potential. Quality content. First and foremost, focus on creating high-quality content that resonate with your target audience. Whether it's entertaining, informative, or educational, quality